Tornado watch! Tornado watch!
Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 379, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Ignore that.
This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Crawford, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Orange, Perry, Scott, and Washington, and the following counties in Kentucky: Breckenridge, Bullitt, Harding, Henry, Jefferson, Meade, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, and Trimble. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 379, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Clark,